안녕하세요. Today it is beautiful here in Korea, and I've got another great Korean recipe to share with you. Welcome to Minced. I live here in Korea with my wife, and this is my Korean food journey. So join me in the kitchen today as we cook the Korean side dish Musaengchae. Now look, side dishes are important in Korea. Whenever you go to a restaurant, you get a wide range of side dishes and they're basically refillable. What that means is, you want more, you get more. You eat your kimchi, or whatever your favorite side dish is, and you've got an almost unlimited refill of those. And whenever you're cooking at home or whenever you eat Korean food at home, you've got to have some form of side dish. So this is my journey on the side dishes this week.